Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammed Sami and I'm the associate member ICMA Pakistan. I am having an exposure of over a decade serving various sectors. Right now, I am working as manager finance in the construction sector. Today, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my deepest appreciation to YouExcel for its exceptional training methodology and the outstanding quality of its trainers. I recently completed 2 courses from YouExcel. First one is the Power BI taught by Mr. Tahir Ali, and the financial modeling and analysis led by Mr. Tanveer Baksh. The experience was excellent. The experience was remarkable. Mr. Tahir Ali's approach to Power BI is quite practical, and his approach to data visualization and business intelligence were invaluable. His ability to simplify complex concepts and make them accessible to the professionals like me actually greatly enhanced my skill set. Similarly, Mr. Tanveer Baksh, the course on financial modeling and analysis was very well structured. His experience in financial techniques coupled with the real world insights provided actually very solid foundation for me to apply these new skills in the industry. Finally, I would like to thank you. I would like to thank YouExcel. I am deeply grateful for the knowledge and expertise that I have gained through YouExcel and its outstanding trainers. It's been a transformative learning. It's been an outstanding journey so far, and I look forward to applying these new skills in my professional journey as well. Thank you again, YouExcel, for your continued commitment to educational excellence and for playing such an important role in empowering the professionals. Thank you very much, Mohammed Sami, member ICMA Pakistan.